Hey guys, welcome in. It's Wednesday the 18th, and I've been working out in the yard and the garden today. Hope to have a little more progress than I made, but we had a freeze day before yesterday, and then it got pretty chilly last night. The freeze we had was not hard, and it only lasted at probably freezing temperatures for a couple of hours, if that. But it got the ground cold enough that everything's kind of stagnant, and got a couple things to show you. I'm not blaming it on the freeze, but my cucumbers I put in the other day really look like crap, and my beans aren't doing very good. So, gonna have to redo both. Let me show you the cucumbers first. All right, so I got 8 cucumbers, 3 different varieties planted here, and you can see they're just not looking good. They look like almost like they've got powdery mildew on them. I don't think that's what it is. It might be, but they were looking pretty ratty before the freeze, and then the freeze just kind of enhanced that. So there's kind of 3 things I think that can do that. It's like too much water, and I did plant them, and then the next day we got that big rain, and I had already watered them in, so that didn't help anything. And then maybe nutrient deficiency, but I know that's not it because I added nutrients as I planted them. So yeah, I don't know what's up with them, but I'm going to pull them out. They don't look good, but I do have reserves, so it's always good to have reserves, right? And then all the way across here on the other side are the beans, and I didn't start the beans in trays. I did try one tray, and they disappeared on me. So I think I kept it too wet and too warm. But the beans, they weren't looking great either ahead of time, and the freeze didn't help them out any. So I'm going to replant beans. And in fact, these didn't even germinate up here. I had one down there and one on the end. So I'm going to wait a couple days. The soil temperature is like just below 60 degrees, and even though a bean may try to germinate in that, it needs to be probably at least between 70 and 80 degrees for good germination. So I'm going to take those out today, and then let that soil warm up for a couple days. So we are coming into a period now where I think our cold weather's over with. And I'm willing to take the gamble that it is. So I'm going to start planting things. I was planning on getting the watermelons in today and some tomatoes, but I didn't get to it. I had other things to do, but I do want to show you my reserve forces in here, and talk about those for just a second, and then wrap it up. Oh, onions are doing good. Let me show you them. So the onions are doing really good. And then it's not going to be too long before harvest. You can see that some of these are starting to bring on a flower. So that will come up. Once those flowers come up and they get up and the thing lays over, then they're going to be ready. You can see a flower over there as well. So onions are looking good. I'm going to spoon around those again. But yep, they're bulbing pretty good, most of them. So we'll go ahead and check our reserves. Yep, got quite a few tomatoes that are potted up, ready to go in. These guys can go in anytime. And then I have a bunch more that I'm not sure what I'm going to do with those. I think I'm going to pot up just a few more for reserves in case something happens with my other ones. And then what I have left, I may sell on garage sale or something. Just put them all on there for $10 or something. So. But yeah, I got plenty of tomatoes for myself, and then for my friends. Todd already got his, and so yep, plenty of tomatoes. Here are the spoon tomatoes I'm going to plant in the garden, and my peppers over here are doing pretty good. I would like them to be a little bigger, so I'm thinking I may pot those up and hold on to them for a few more weeks. I don't know. I got to decide. We got a trip coming up, so I got to do something. Watermelons are doing great, so going to get those in. I think I'm only going to plant 3 of those. I think I have 8 of them. I'm only going to plant 3, and then but I'll keep a couple in reserve for a few days just to make sure things go okay. And then I do have cucumbers. I think I have at least 2 of each. I think I have 8 cucumbers. And yeah, these are the pickling. So I gotta set that back. That thing fell over in the way. I did get some of my herbs planted today. I've got here I've got some cilantro that came up. I need to get it in the ground because it's going to be getting hot pretty quick. I got some dill. I'm gonna put that in tomorrow afternoon. It's going to be a little cooler this evening. It's going to be in the upper 50s, I think, this evening. So I'll leave those in here and then get those in tomorrow. So I'll check my cucumbers here in a minute and see what I've got. But I think I got at least 2 of the pickling, and then I have 4 of the beta alpha, I think, and then I think I have a couple. I think I'm good to go. I think I got at least 2 of each. Let's go look at the herbs out here. So over here, I've got some basil plants in that I started. All the stuff I started from seed here. And then I have, this is oregano. And then I have thyme. Or do I have that backwards? Yep, this is my thyme right here. And the oregano and the basil. Or basil or basil. So I do have 2 more basil plants I got to put in over here. They're ones that I bought. And they're looking kind of droopy right now because I forgot to water them. So, go figure. But anyway, I've got our flowers. The carrots are coming in good. The other secondary onions I got from Todd are coming in. So we're doing good. I need to weed this out and thin some of the carrots. So, get that done. So, I'm going to go ahead and get those out of there. Go get those beans out. Everything's already had a drink. So, get that done and I'll be done out here for today, I think. So that's going to be it for this one. I appreciate you guys watching. Hit the like button, comment. You can subscribe right up here in the clear blue sky. I got a little cloud. Appreciate y'all. I really do appreciate you coming and watching my stuff. And I hope I'll see you on the next one. See ya.